Welcome to our in-depth review of the Bissell 2314E Sturdy Sweep. This handy tool is often praised for its simplicity, effectiveness, and versatility. Whether you're a new user or considering purchasing one, this video will provide you with all the information you need to understand and utilize the Bissell 2314E to its fullest potential. We'll discuss the basics of the Bissell 2314E Sturdy Sweep, including its design, features, and intended use. The Bissell 2314E Sturdy Sweep is designed with simplicity in mind. It features a lightweight, yet durable build that makes it easy to maneuver around your home. The sweeper is equipped with a sturdy handle and a wide cleaning head that efficiently picks up debris from various floor surfaces. The key features of the Bissell Sturdy Sweep are the dual rotating brush rolls that work together to lift and capture dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. One of the standout features of the sweeper is that it doesn't require any power source, no batteries needed, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective cleaning solution. The Bissell 2314E is easy to store and transport, thanks to its compact and lightweight design. Multi-surface cleaning. Whether you have carpets, rugs, or hard floors, the sturdy sweep can handle it all. Assembly and usage. Now let's dive into how to assemble and use the Bissell 2314E Sturdy Sweep. To assemble the sweeper, all you need to do is connect the handle pieces together and attach it to the sweeper head. Check the brush rolls. Ensure the brush rolls are properly aligned and securely in place. Simply push the sweeper forward over the area you want to clean. The dual rotating brush rolls will pick up debris and deposit it into the dustbin. To empty the dustbin, lift the sweeper and press the release button to open the dustbin lid. Dispose of the collected debris and close the lid. When not in use, store the sweeper in a dry place to maintain its longevity. Performance and efficiency. In this section, we'll evaluate the performance and efficiency of the Bissell 2314E Sturdy Sweep. Cleaning performance. The Bissell 2314E is designed to provide thorough cleaning performance on various floor surfaces. The dual rotating brush rolls work effectively to lift and capture dirt, dust, and debris. It performs particularly well on low-pile carpets and hard floors, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Efficiency. The absence of a power source means that the Bissell 2314E operates quietly and without the need for batteries or electricity. This makes it an energy-efficient and eco-friendly option for those who are conscious of their environmental impact. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Proper maintenance is essential to ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your Bissell 2314E Sturdy Sweep. Routine maintenance. Regularly empty the dustbin. To maintain efficiency, empty the dustbin after each use. Clean the brush rolls. Periodically check the brush rolls for any tangled hair or debris and clean them as needed. Inspect the sweeper. Regularly inspect the sweeper for any signs of wear or damage and address any issues promptly. Troubleshooting common issues. Sweeper not picking up debris. Check the brush rolls for any obstructions and ensure they are properly aligned. Handle feels loose. Make sure the handle is securely attached to the sweeper head. Dustbin not closing properly. Inspect the dustbin for any debris that may be preventing it from closing and clean it if necessary. Customer reviews and feedback. To provide a well-rounded perspective, we'll explore what customers have to say about the Bissell 2314E Sturdy Sweep. Positive reviews. Many customers praise the Bissell 2314E for its simplicity and effectiveness. Users appreciate the eco-friendly design and the fact that it doesn't require any power source. The lightweight and compact design is also a highlight for many. Constructive feedback. While the Bissell 2314E receives mostly positive reviews, some users have noted that it may not perform as well on high-pile carpets or heavily soiled areas. Additionally, a few customers have mentioned that the handle could be sturdier. Conclusion. The Bissell 2314E Sturdy Sweep is a reliable and eco-friendly cleaning tool that offers simplicity and effectiveness. Its dual rotating brush rolls, multi-surface cleaning capabilities, and lightweight design make it a versatile addition to any household. While it may have some limitations on high-pile carpets, its overall performance and efficiency make it a valuable investment for maintaining clean floors. Final thoughts. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with all the information you need to understand and utilize the Bissell 2314E Sturdy Sweep. Whether you're a new user or considering purchasing one, this sweeper is sure to make your cleaning routine more efficient and eco-friendly. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are interested in purchasing this product, please click on the link in the description box. So to summarize, the Bissell 2314E Sturdy Sweep is a manual floor sweeper designed for quick and efficient cleaning. Here are some key details in case you missed it. I think I already mentioned this earlier on in this video that the sweeper has dual rotating brush rolls. In fact, it has two brush rolls that rotate in opposite directions, lifting dirt on both forward and return motions. This makes it suitable for picking up pet hair and other debris. Multi-surface cleaning. It's designed to work on various surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. Did I mention that it's compact and lightweight? Well, the Bissell 2314E is easy to maneuver and store, thanks to its compact size and lightweight design. Easy to store under the stairs or anywhere really. And you can save money as no power is needed, which I just love. No cables to trip over. It's perfect to just quickly pop out and clean your floors with. The dimensions and specifications. Sweeping width, 23.5 centimeters. Size, W23x D7 cm. Height, 105 centimeters. Weight, lightweight for easy handling. Usage and maintenance. Easy to use. Simply push the sweeper forward to pick up debris. The dual brush rolls will do the work of lifting and capturing dirt. It's very easy to empty. Just lift the sweeper and press the release button to open the dustbin lid. Dispose of the collected debris and close the lid. Regularly empty the dustbin and clean the brush rolls to ensure optimal performance. The customer reviews on Amazon of the Bissell sweeper has received positive reviews for its simplicity and effectiveness. Customers appreciate its eco-friendly design and the fact that it doesn't require any power source. The lightweight and compact design is also a highlight for many users. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video coming out soon.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time,